ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And oh my God, we are back to listening to Elvis Presley. Now, I got down into that Elvis Presley rabbit hole, and man, it is hard to get out, if not impossible. And I'm not mad about it because I've been introduced to some great music by Elvis and introduced to the legend himself, and my respect and admiration for him just keeps on growing and growing. That voice, the charisma, everything. I've never heard this song, Kentucky Rain. A lot of y'all have recommended this particular song, so let's go ahead and get right into it. I can't wait. I know it's going to be an absolute classic. Let's go.
7 lonely days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, 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 cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain.
That might have been one of my favorite Elvis songs to this date, and let me explain why. Like, I got kind of emotional during that song because the lyrics, it's an ode to love. It's a poem about love. It's a poem about finding your love through whatever. In the cold Kentucky rain, his socks are wet from that cold Kentucky rain, but he's still out there looking for that girl, and I love the lyrics of that song, and his voice delivers it with so much more power. Man, that's good. Whew. Wow, that put me in a different type of mood, and I'm not upset about it. Elvis is still the legend, the greatest of all time, if you will. Wow. Whew. All right, more Elvis. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. I will always react to Elvis. I'm part of the Elvis community now, 100%. Like I said, I'm down that rabbit hole, and I want to keep this thing going. So let's keep this thing going. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and on to the next.